Hi there, folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 265. Okay, so in our business story, first of all, we're looking at how the use of ATM machines is changing. So people are visiting less frequently, but taking out a wee bit more money per visit. So we're asked how much more did the average UK adult withdraw from an ATM per year before the pandemic compared to now? So we're going to show some work in here. So before the pandemic, people are visiting on average 3 times per month. So three lots of 12 means that there would be 36 visits per year. And each time they're taking out money, they're taking out an average of £66.99. So that's 36 lots of £66.99, which is £2,411.64. So during the pandemic, it's now twice a month, so that's two lots of 12, which is 24 visits per year, and that'll be 24 lots of £78.54, which is £1,884.96. So how much more? We need to work out the difference, which is £526.68. So I think a lot more people are more happier using technology to pay now rather than cash handling for a variety of reasons, but I think definitely the pandemic's got something to do with it. So are we a wee history lesson now? It turns out the Vikings settled in North America 1,000 years ago, long before Christopher Columbus arrived in the Americas. So in what year did the Vikings have a settlement in North America? Well, it was 1,000 years ago, so that's going to be this year. Take away 1,000, so the year 1021. You could put AD, Anno Domini, at the end of it if you really wanted to. So this was 471 years before Columbus's arrival. So Christopher Columbus arrived 471 years later than this, which was in the year 1492 AD. Okay, so on to our entertainment story. So Adele's new single "Easy on Me" has had the most record number of listens in 1 week, 24 million to be precise. So below we've got the 5 most streamed songs of all time on Spotify. Now you guys will know a lot more about this than me. I definitely don't know anything about these modern tunes. And what you'll find is that it will be more modern songs that have these records due to the fact that a lot of the older songs, they didn't have internet streaming when these songs first came out. So the letter of the alphabet corresponds to the numbers. So for our first one here, 19, 15, 25, 5 and 19, here are the missing letters. So did you manage to get the song? It was Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Well done if you got that right. So for our 2, 12, 20 and 23, here are the letters of the alphabet that they correspond to. So with 2.585 billion streams, it's Blinding Lights by The Weekend, missing an EIC, but apparently it does. Now, in terms of the 4, the 13, the 20, the 1 and the 9, that's going to be D, M, T, A and I. So that's going to be Dance Monkey by The Tones and I. So for 18, 16 and 13, R, P and M. So that's Rockstar, Post Malone. And for 15, 4 and 4, it's ODD. So that's going to be One Dance by Drake. Well done if you get any of them right, guys. So on to our financial education story for our last one. So our best financial education lessons come from TikTok. A woman showing how to save money by completely filling a Smarties tube with £2 coins. So when she emptied them all out, it was 16 piles of 5 coins with 3 left over. So how many coins is this? So as you can see from the diagram, it's 16 lots of 5 plus an extra 3. So that's 80 add 3, which is 83 coins. So how much money did she manage to save? Well, each coin is worth £2. So it's 83 lots of £2, which is £166. Unless, of course, we're taking off the cost of the Smarties. Anyway, folks, there you have it. That's our What Solutions for this week. Hope you enjoyed solving these problems. And don't forget to stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching and bye for now.